Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to use the less data for calls in Signal. So if you are interested to use lesser data for your calls using Signal, this video is specially for you. Open the Signal app on your phone. Then click on your profile on the top left-hand corner and scroll all the way down in File, Data and Storage. Go ahead and tap on it, scroll all the way down and you will see Calls. So right under calls is the setting called use less data for calls. So you can use lesser data. So you can click on it and there are three options which are never, mobile data only, and Wi-Fi and mobile data. So if you want to use less quality and lesser data, you can select the mobile data and lesser data will be selected and your mobile data will be saved even a little bit. So if you want to select for Wi-Fi and the other one, you can do this as well. So you can go ahead and select the data and privacy, go to calls, and you can see the use less data for calls option. You can go ahead and select which one is most preferred by you. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.